Hey, this is Siobhan, one of the two runaway old folks. I want to tell you about one of the adventures we had while we were on our big adventure to Maine this summer. I love lobster. Lobster rolls, lobster thermidor, stuffed lobster, lobster fricassee, all kinds of lobster anyway, but I can't cook that kind. All I can do is steam it or boil it. And this summer we had a chance to have lobster. It was awesome. It was delicious. And the bigger, the better. We went to my husband, my sister, and my brother-in-law all ended up in the same RV. Our RV broke down on our way to Maine, and in order for our wonderful anniversary trip not to be spoiled, they offered to let us stay with them in their RV for 2 whole weeks. I'd like to think I would be so gracious, but I'm not sure because we really like being here by ourselves. But I like to think that I would be that gracious to allow them. I wouldn't be let them sit in Connecticut knowing that we were having all the fun in Maine. So I thank them so much for doing that. In the meantime, we got lobster when we were there. You've already seen the moose video, and if you haven't, I hope you have seen the moose video. I did spicy moose with some steaks that somebody gave us. But we also had lobster. Now, we bought the lobster. They were huge. I've forgotten how many we bought, but we had lobster almost every single day while we were there. Some days we had 2 lobster. I had lobster. My brother-in-law had lobster. My sister didn't have lobster because she's allergic to it. And my husband would rather have a hamburger than a lobster. But we had fun anyway. So sit back, relax. Please watch the video, enjoy it, and get yourself a lobster. Make hamburgers for the rest of us? I sure will. It'll be for me. He does not really. He come. Really? He'll come get a mouthful, and he'd rather have a hamburger. Ask him. Would you rather have a hamburger or lobster?
What kind of question is that?
I told you.
Well, I'll eat lobster. Everybody else will eat lobster.
Now it's time to make sure that everything has been dissolved in the water. It has to come to a rolling boil before we put in the lobster. And the lobster is only going to cook until it turns bright red or bright orange. And I opened that case. I was so glad to see all that seaweed, wonderful, wonderful seaweed. And I used as much as I could to add flavor to the lobster. If you don't have seaweed, just don't have it. Don't use it. Not yet. I haven't
So
put.
we didn't need it. You lucky.
We didn't need a lot.
I was giving it away to the other lady who didn't have any.
Oh, you did? Oh, these are big lobster. Good. Oh, you know,
Pretty nice size.
we might need a bigger pot, Vernon. You so greedy. Why you ask for these big lobsters?
I like big lobsters.
I cannot lie.
That's right. Cannot lie.
You know what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to
She said it's very lean.
okay, I'm
Don't overcook it.
right. I'll slice it up real thin. Do
In fact, that's what he said. He said slice it real thin and make it for.
a stir fry.
He said enchiladas. And I was saying, ooh, ooh. I see. I don't deal with stuff that's gonna fight me. Whatever.
Oh my!
Oh no, Vern, you better come and help Sharon.
I'm gonna come in. Oh, you got it. You got a 16 to 30.
You couldn't find a place to put the vegetables in there.
No, baby.
Oh, we got an 8.
They looking at me.
And what part of you think you have?
Oh, we got them so far. Let me know when you're ready.
I want you to come grab one.
We won the first set, bro. Oh, did we? Yeah, we won 26 to 25.
Look at the size of that claw.
That claw almost size in your hand.
It is the size of my hand. Look at this.
Oh, and they say if a lobster grabs your finger,
They break it off.
no, they said don't move, just let it hang on until it lets go.
So it relaxes. Because the more you move, the more it'll tighten up. It'll tighten up, yeah.
Yeah, Vern, you know, you listen to that, okay?
No.
I'm not putting my hands on it.
So they said.
You had it. All you had to do was just take the thing off and put it in there.
That's right, honey.
Okay, that's right, honey.
Whoa, they are some big guys. Wow.
They have smaller ones. Did you see what I sent you, your text?
Yeah,
They said they have smaller ones for less.
that's okay.
Wow. Where the scissors at?
It's over
Right here.
in my- Sharon's been rearranging stuff.
I told you by the time
You been
I
ready
leave,
to
I'm
drop
gonna
it
know
in there?
where it is, or I'll put it where I know it is.
You been ready to drop it in there? We'll do it after ball again. I want the ball in there.
You know what? Let me do the scissors.
No, I got it. I can
Oh,
just hold
okay.
it, put them on.
Go ahead, man.
You ready to drop them in yet?
You ready, Sharon?
It's not boiling yet. No.
It's almost not
Boy, you
quite.
want them steam, right?
No, they're boiling. We're boiling them.
Oh, man.
Mm-hmm.
I was just steam.
They ain't ready yet. Got the boil. Okay.
Wow. Who gave you the moose meat?
The guy, remember the other guy who also wanted lobster?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Randy.
No, the other guy was another guy
There
there.
was a young guy who also wanted lobster. He was sitting over in the cafe,
Okay, I got it too.
so he wanted lobster.
Hold on.
And then
Hold on. You got it? You got it? You got it? You gotta hold it up, Pam. You can't hold up nothing because you have what's name?
you have what's the name?
Yeah, he has what's
Shoulder.
his shoulder.
I can wait because that thing starts splashing and fighting. I don't want it to think I'm doing it.
You got the 10, brother. Yeah, he got 2 10s down. He got that one.
No, we got the 10.
That's what I said. He had gotten the 10 before you sit down.
Yes. You won it by 1 point.
I think we're only gonna be able to put one of those in here.
Yeah, this is a big boy here.
Yeah.
You can put 2, I think, maybe.
You gonna cut it? Ooh, honey child.
Man.
Honey, you ain't seen man. Wait till he realize he can get loose of that.
Ooh. You know what? We cooked them with the bands on. I didn't taste no difference.
Well, you ain't eat them.
That's true.
I'm trying to make sure he don't reach up and grab my hand.
Well, he's kind of
Well, he
docile
does,
right
like
now.
He said, just be still and let him hold on until he lets go.
Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get him in there with that stuff in there though.
Go ahead, just put it in. You only putting one in there.
And a 10 time.
Okay. All right.